as you can see, absolutely schmacked NQ this morning. Beautiful little setup with the ICT turtle soup strategy. Let's go ahead and get into it. You can see the market is still running higher. Looks like it might come down on us soon, but we're already out. We made our money. So let's break down exactly what happened here. Going into market open, I was basically seeing we had left a bullish order block on the 15. We had also been trending higher since London, and we left a few more order blocks on the way. So initially I was looking at this one for my order, but once I saw price leave these relative equal lows before market open, I decided to place an order up here. This order block was a little premium for me. We did have good displacement here, and on the 5-minute we had good displacement along with the fair value gap and order block as well. So that was mainly what I was basing my confluence on. And this third one right here, when we left that low just above the mean threshold of the order block right before market open, that was my last and final confluence that I needed to put an order here. Now, I still used half risk. I had half risk on this top order, full risk on the bottom. Price opened up, wicked into my order. We got filled right there. And then I also put another order in when price decided to retrace and reject again. So we wicked this, we came up a little bit, we were in profit, and then we wicked back down and continued to respect. So at that point, I was like, oh yeah, that's exactly what I need to see. And I put in another order. And then I took the majority off of it here. That was about a 1 to 3. So I took the majority of my position off there, took the rest off here at a 1 to 7. And I actually put another order in. I'd only put about a contract on it. The trend was there. We also had higher time frame draws on liquidity, and we already had profit and momentum. So I said, what the heck? I'll take another contract, see if we can catch the final draw. And then we were able to squeeze out about another 2, 3R out of that position. So beautiful, beautiful finish to the day. But let's go ahead and break this down a little bit further. Let me rewind the charts so you can see exactly what I was looking at, and we'll go ahead and focus on this 15-minute time frame. So as I teach in my turtle soup strategy, if you haven't seen that video yet, go ahead and check it out. This will make a lot more sense. But the main thing I tell you guys to look for is either a New York continuation profile or a New York reversal. Today, we had a perfect little setup for a New York continuation. London left a low. We've been trending higher, so we expect price to make a retracement off market open, either to one of these levels or a level up here if we're super bullish, and leave London low intact. Continue the trend bullish. On the other hand, what we can look for is New York reversal. So we also have higher time frame levels to the upside. We have 4-hour fair value gap. We have daily order block, mean threshold. This was my main draw on liquidity today. And you can see that draw on liquidity transposes to the 15-minute time frame right there. So that could have been a potential for New York reversal, trying to catch a reversal from this level down. You could see it reversed a little bit early off of the 4-hour level, but nonetheless, there was a New York reversal profile as well. Back to the main point. You can see this candle here was the candle just before market open. So initially, I was going to wait to see if this level got filled, but because we closed this candle here, left a low, left the mean threshold just below it, and we're still respecting it, this is basically like having relative equal lows. We also, again, had bullish 5-minute price. Beautiful order block, fair value gap, and we were respecting it as well. Let's go down the 1-minute time frame, see how things played out. Pretty obvious based on what you saw earlier, but immediate delivery. Honestly, I should have not even touched it. I should have just left the computer, but we were still able to take down a bunch of this setup with only a couple of contracts. It's always a nice feeling when you can take like $50 worth of risk and turn that into thousands of dollars in a couple of minutes. That's exactly why I love this bottom ticking and top ticking strategy and just the turtle soup concept in general. Beautiful little setup. If you guys want to learn this again, link is in the corner. All links are in description. We will see you in the next one.